Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to view all broadcast media on WhatsApp. If you want to easily access and view the media files shared in your broadcasts, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap your broadcast. This is the list where you have your recipients grouped. Step 3. Tap the three dots at the top right of the screen. A menu with additional options will appear. Step 4. From the menu, select Broadcast List Media. This will take you to the media section of your broadcast list. Step 5. Tap Media. This will display all the media files shared within your broadcast. By following these steps, you can easily view all the media files shared in your WhatsApp broadcasts. This feature is useful for quickly accessing and reviewing the media content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.